Okay. Team, I'm going to tell again how to create integrator. Okay. Before creating, the purpose is we want to copy file from AWS S3 to Snowflake. Okay. So for that, we need to create storage integration. Okay. This is the syntax for storage integration. Okay. Create storage integration. Some integration name you can give S3 INT or something, INT3, INT2, INT1. Okay. Type external storage provider S3. This is the storage AWS role. This is the role of the AWS. Okay, this is the role of the AWS. Note down. This role should be created within the AWS before you run this integration. Okay. How do you create this role within AWS? Go to AWS console and type IAM. Then it will take you to IAM home screen. Then click on users, not users. Click on roles. Okay, then create role. Then you see, this is important. By default, AWS service will be there, but you have to create AWS account. Okay, this is another change. AWS account you have to select, and down you have to click require external ID. This option you have to check. Require external ID. Okay, because we want to allow from the third party environment, that is Snowflake. For AWS, Snowflake is the third party, right? For Snowflake, AWS is the third party. So now we are in AWS. So Snowflake is the third party. So we will add this option, and right now we will add 00 in the external ID. Okay, and type next. And here policies it will ask. Okay, so for S3, what type of policies you want? You want to read file, that means read only. And then during unload, we want to write file to S3, that means write permission. So you need to select S3 read only and full access. This one and this one. S3C, Amazon S3 read only, Amazon S3 full access. These two policies you need to select. Okay, Amazon S3 full access, Amazon S3 read only access. Then next. Okay, so how do you get here? Search here S3, then select Amazon S3 full access, Amazon S3 read only access. Then go to next. Then give the my Snowflake role 2. Something you can give some meaningful name. Okay, my Snowflake role 2 I have given, or my Snowflake role. Description you can give anything. Okay, my Snowflake role 2. And this trust relationship, don't do anything, just leave it. Initially you have to leave it, then just create role. Okay, yeah. So see here, my Snowflake role 2 is created. This one, my Snowflake role 2. Above one is Snowflake role 1 earlier created. Now my Snowflake role 2 is created just now. Okay, so this is the role ARN. Copy this role ARN. Okay, copy this role ARN and paste it here. Paste it here. Where? Within this create integrator. This one you have to paste it here. Okay, create storage integration, you just paste it here. That's it. Then enabled true storage allowed locations. Storage allowed locations means which S3 buckets you want to allow. So you have to give your S3 URL. Okay, come here. Okay, your bucket is Vishnu RS, right? Or whatever bucket you have created. Okay, for example, if my bucket is something else means, for example, I'll come to my buckets. See, I have these many buckets. Okay, July batch, April batch. Okay, training April, my Snowflake, these are all my buckets. Okay, Vishnu RS is my Vishnu bucket. If you want to give something else, you can give something. Go to that. Okay, go here and copy S3 URI. You need to give bucket path. Okay, so I have given my Vishnu bucket. Okay, means any folder after this Vishnu RS, I want to give access. You can create any number of folders. Okay, okay, my AWS S3 integrator. Yeah, you can give comment. Okay, so integration 3. Yeah, you can create this integration. Yeah, so S3 INT3 completed means only you have created storage integration. You see, this is not the end. After that, you have to give describe integration. Okay, describe integration S3 INT3. Okay. Yeah. So you need to copy row number 5 and 7. See, if you give describe integration, you got this table as an output. Okay, enabled true, storage provider S3, allowed locations, your S3 path. Okay, storage AWS IAM user ARN. This is row number 5. You need to copy that. And external ID, row number 7. You need to copy this. Okay, so you need to copy these two. And now come to your role 2, right? Role 2. Go to your trust relationships. See, I am in my Snowflake role 2. Go to trust relationships. This JSON will come. Edit trust relationship. Okay. In the edit trust, in the AWS is there, right? AWS. There you enter that row number 5. Okay. Whatever you copied in row number 5, you can enter here. What is that row number 5? That row number 5 is nothing but IAM user ARN. Storage AWS IAM user ARN. This one. Okay, whatever you copied here, you just paste it here. Okay, and row number 7. Row number 7 should be entered in external ID. Instead of 0000, we enter this. Okay, that is your external ID copied from here. Okay, row number 5 is storage AWS IAM user ARN and external ID. Okay, you copy into this trust relationship of your role. Okay, trust relationship, then update policy. Policy updated. See here, now within the trust relationship, AWS is updated with this. Okay, this one and external ID. Okay, this one is what you have updated. Basically, these two should be given. Then only access will be granted. Okay, and these two should be taken from Snowflake describe integration. Okay, describe integration 3. I mean integration name. From there you have to take it and paste it in the trust relationship of the AWS IAM role. Okay, then you can give, see here, storage, I mean show storage integrations. Then it will show all the integrations. What is our integration? ST-INT3. So INT3 should come here again. INT2, INT2, INT3. INT3 is created now, right? See here, 62804. Okay, so STINT3, that is what created. Okay, latest. See here, among all, what is the latest date? This is the latest date. Okay, STINT3 created. Okay, then we want to load. Okay, our integration was ready. Okay, that means communication was set between Snowflake and AWS. Now let us create a stage with header. S3 department stage with header. Okay, with header. Shall we do with header? First, let us see if there is a head. If there is a stage with header is already there. Okay, give show stages. It will show all the stages. Okay, so yeah, with header is there. Okay, S3 department stage with header. Last one. Okay, so I will drop it. Okay, drop stage name. Drop stage name. Yeah, so already existing stage I have dropped it. Okay, same like table. Drop stage name. Now again I want to drop, let's see whether it will run or not. See, now it's saying stage does not exist because I have already dropped the existing stage, right? So now I can create the stage, right? Yeah, so create stage S3 department stage with header. Okay, okay, from S3 URL storage allocation S3 int3, right? File format CSV, comma, skip header 1. You need to add skip header 1. Okay, and before going to that, we need to know what is our file with header within the S3. Okay, we need to know what is our file with header. This dept underscore CSV is without header, right? So let us see, I have any file with header within this buckets. Vishnu RS. Yeah, I have with header also one file. Okay, department CSV with header, right? I have, you see, department CSV with header. I have one file. So let's see whether it is with header or without header. I'm just opening. Okay. See here, it is with header. Does it has header? Does the file has header? So department number, day name, location. And what are the records? What are the records? 10, 20, 30, 40. Earlier records 100, 200, 300, 400. But this time I put different records. 10, 20, 30, 40. Okay. So these are there in this with header file. Okay. With header, I have 4 records with header. Okay. So copy this S3 URL. Okay. Copy this S3 URL and put it here in this S3 URL. Here you see I have pasted here. Okay, URL S3 URL. Okay, storage integration S3 int. File format type CSV comma skip header. Skip header equals to how many? How many you want to skip? 1. You want to skip 1, 2, 3. How many you want to skip? You can keep there. Skip header. Okay. Yeah, skip header equals to 1. Parameter is that one only, right? Skip header. Okay. Then run this stage. Are you able to follow? I mean, till now. నెట్ డిస్కనెక్ట్ అయిందా? అది అలాగే చూపిస్తుంది.
Over the class?
Just last 10 minutes.